Hey everyone, today is the day. I've been saying that we're going to have a big announcement, and here it is. We have just launched our new division, and it's called MOX Life, MOX Life. And what it's about is it's about helping you break or replace those negative behavioral loops that trip you up in your career, in your marriage, in your life, and replacing them with those new behavioral loops that help success and happiness come to you way easier. So that mommy guilt that you may have, so that is causing you to stuff down that inner ambitious self that really wants to come out, we're helping you break those behavioral patterns. Also, those enoughness syndrome loops that go through our head. I'm not pretty enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not educated enough. I can only make this much money. You got to really think about it. But are you saying these behavioral things to yourself? Many of us, most of us, in fact, I would even go so far as to say all of us have at some point. And so what Mox Life is all about is helping you replace those behavioral loops that aren't serving you anymore and help you adapt new ones that help you have that success that you really want. So if you think about those people who are living those lives that maybe you're a little jealous of, guess what? They have those positive, powerful behavior loops that are helping that success flow to them instead of pushing that success away from them. So stay with us. I'll be posting things on Facebook and through our emails, but also we are going to be traveling throughout all of the United States, starting in California, giving free webinars free workshops where we work directly with you and help you recognize those behavioral loops that you may be having, and also giving you the tools on how to change it so that you can start breaking through those challenges, stop working so darn hard and not understanding why success has been so challenging, why you haven't been able to achieve that relationship that you really want, and understanding more clearly what it takes and how to get it much easier without breaking your brain. So stay with us, sign up for our email list so that you can see when we are coming to your town, or let me know what town you'd like us to come to and what you'd like help with, because I will tailor our stuff to appeal to you. So anyway, I am looking forward to working with you guys and giving you those techniques and help you recognize those behavior loops that aren't serving you anymore. All right, looking forward to it. Talk soon.